Unscrew iPhone 7 Plus bottom screws and heat the front glass for easier separating. Separate screen with suction cup and move spudger around. Don't push too deep to protect flex ribbon underneath. Release screws and remove two mainboard shield plates. Disconnect flex ribbons and take screen off. Release screws and remove home button fastening piece. Release screws and remove the front camera and fastening piece. Release screws of back plate. Remove the black sticker and then take off the backlight plate. Disconnect home flex and heat up home button area. Remove home button assembly slowly and carefully. Prevent Touch ID fails. Heat up and then remove the sensor and your speaker and front camera flex slowly and carefully. Take a new iPhone 7 Plus LCD screen and remove all the back films. Then install the backlight plate on this new screen. Place black sticker to make sure the LCD flex adhere to backlight plate. Place the home button assembly and connect the home flex. Then install the home button fastening piece. Place the sensor and your speaker flex and front camera. Then install the front camera fastening piece. Check carefully if the front camera was installed in exact position. Remove residual waterproof adhesive. And clean the back housing edge around with brush. Lay new waterproof adhesive on the back housing. Press around the adhesive to assure best waterproof effect. Connect all flexes again to the main board. Install two mainboard shield plates back. Remove residual waterproof adhesive film away. Fit new screen into back housing and press around the screen. Restart the phone and install bottom screws. "3D touch testing, touch function testing." Front camera function testing and sensor function testing. Finally, the new iPhone 7 Plus LCD screen has been replaced successfully.